Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Sanket. I have posted so many videos on YouTube and from now on I am doing interesting vlogs for all of you. For that I need your support. So kindly like, share and subscribe to my channel. In today's vlog we are unboxing my brand new laptop. I bought Acer Aspire 3 for my office work and now we are doing unboxing. So let's get started. The product comes with really good packing from the Amazon. Inside this box, we get the laptop, the mains cord, power cord, instruction manuals and other setup required to turn on. For turning on this thing, the mains cord and the power supply should be connected. For the price of 20,000, this is really some general setup is required to turn on these things. These settings are not mandatory. You can do it after some time. This laptop comes with pre-installed Windows 10 setup, so we don't. Here the laptop asks about some security. Few moments. This laptop comes with 4 GB of RAM and 1 TB of hard disk. This laptop is used for general purpose. This is not a high-end laptop. You can play some small and here